Now let's take a look at what happens after someone signs up. This is where you shape the experience your customers see right after they submit their email, whether that's a simple thank you message or a next step you want them to take. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. In your opt-in popcard, click the Thank You Confirmation tab. This is the section where you set what subscribers see immediately after they sign up. First, choose what you want your new subscriber to see. If you want to keep things simple, select Show a Thank You message. Once selected, you can type a short, friendly message, something that makes your customers feel appreciated, like thanking them for signing up or letting them know what to expect next. This message will appear right inside the popcard as soon as they sign up. If you'd rather send them to another page, choose Redirect Subscriber to a page. Here, you'll paste the link you want them to visit next, like a welcome page, a discount page, or a special announcement. Just make sure the link is complete and correct so everything works smoothly. You'll also see an option to send a follow-up email. If you'd like new subscribers to receive an email after signing up, check the box that says Also Send a Thank You email. Once enabled, you can add a subject line, something short and friendly like, "Thanks for signing up." Then write the message they'll receive in the email, letting them know what to expect next, such as a coupon, updates, or future emails. If you want to be extra sure, you can send yourself a test email first to see how it looks before saving. When everything feels right, click Preview to see how the full experience looks from the customer's point of view. And don't forget to click Save before leaving the page, so your changes are applied. If you ever need help along the way, just click the Get Help button at the top right. Support is always there when you need it. And if you want a demo or need extra support, just email support@epicshops.com. We'd love to help you explore what's possible and help you sell more online.